The Prime Minister, while virtually addressing the two-day Chintan Shivir of Home Ministers of States being held at Surajkund in Haryana, he said though the law and order is the responsibility of the states as per the constitution, but at the same time, they are equally associated with the unity and integrity of the country. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today dedicated to the nation 75 different projects of the Border Roads Organisation (BRO) from the country's last village, Shillong, in Leh. A special meeting of the UN Security Council Counter-Terrorism Committee has begun in Mumbai. The theme of the meeting is countering the use of new and emerging technologies for terrorist purposes. The Reserve Bank has scheduled an additional meeting of its Monetary Policy Committee on the 3rd of November. In a historic move, the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has announced equal match fee for both men and women cricket players of India.